Biometric enrollment at the airport, featuring the HID, URU face module and the Atom document reader. Passenger enrollment at airport check-in is fast and easy, taking only a few seconds to complete. Step 1. Accept terms and conditions. Step 2. Scan the boarding pass to verify passenger and trip information. Step 3. Scan the passport to verify authenticity and retrieve photo and biographical data. Step 4. Capture the face, perform liveness detection, and extract it to a biometric template. Step 5. Match the face template with the passport photo. You are enrolled. It's that simple. Now, your face is your boarding pass for a secure, seamless airport experience.